Is it going to be a problem if I just walk out of here in 10 minutes? Can you edit that out?
Yeah, we can.
Remind me and tell our listeners and viewers about how the flow control thesis started, when it started, and walk us through up until today.
Yeah, so the thesis started 18 months ago, and this was really Ryan coming to my desk and saying, hey, this space, let's look into this a little bit more. We've had experience with it in our current portfolio company, Epic Systems. We've seen pump and valve deals in the lower middle market space, and we realized that these pumps and valves are going into mission critical, high cost of failure applications. And so this was 18 months ago where we said, hey, let's look into pumps and valves. And as that thesis has matured, we've narrowed our focus a bit to pump manufacturing.
Having the theses allows for us to show that we're committed to the space versus just simply, we want to buy your company because it looks like an interesting company. In our model, we're asking to partner with, to roll equity, to be involved as a true partner, post a transaction being closed. And you really have to work to build trust with those owners really from day one.
So talk to me about, specifically on the decision and the path toward narrowing your focus from general pumps and valves into what it is today.
We've had probably over 100 conversations between the flow control team with companies, with bankers and brokers, with industry veterans to learn more about the space and to identify what makes a truly attractive company in the flow control industry. And that has evolved our thesis as we've had those conversations, as we've talked to business owners and been able to look under the hood at what these businesses look like from a financial perspective, from a customer diversification perspective. And we've continued to increase our knowledge of what makes a company in this space attractive. So that thesis approach that we take, it naturally evolves. It takes a long time. We've been working at this for 18 months to figure out what exactly we want to focus on. But I think that's the good part about our thesis approach and our investment strategy is it gives us time to not just identify players in a space, but identify players, truly attractive companies that can make for a successful platform investment.